All right, the last thing we want to do is just briefly summarize hormones and homeostasis. And I know we've been really playing that out throughout this whole chapter, but this is just a wonderful diagram, figure 16.23, that's going to walk through how the endocrine system is going to be responsible for maintaining homeostasis throughout the body. The nervous system is going to respond really well to changes in the external environment. The eyes and other organs provide us with information about the external environment, and the central nervous system can integrate that information and decide on the proper course of action. But this is going to be responsible for responding to changes in the external environment through body movement. But the endocrine system, along with the nervous system, is going to work together to help control the internal environment. So this is going to be done through reflex actions in the hypothalamus, and the medulla oblongata are going to be responsible for controlling blood pressure. Aldosterone is going to act on the kidneys to help retain sodium and cause that water reabsorption to follow. Antidiuretic hormone is going to promote water reabsorption in the kidneys. In the respiratory system, the respiratory center in the brain is going to regulate the breathing rate. The lungs are going to carry on the gas exchange for the benefits of all systems, including the nervous and the endocrine system. The cardiovascular system, reproductive system, integumentary system, skeletal system, all of these different systems are going to play a very important role in helping to maintain homeostasis, and they're all going to do this by interacting with the nervous and the endocrine system. So there's not a whole lot that I really want you to memorize here, but I would like you to just spend a little bit of time reading through this diagram and looking at the relationship between all of these different systems and the endocrine system, because they play such a hugely important interactive role. All right, so you should be able to summarize the role of the endocrine system in maintaining homeobalance. A good exercise, this is not going to be on the quiz or the homework, but a good exercise for you to make sure that you really understand what you've read this chapter would be to explain why the nervous and endocrine systems are integrated with one another, explain how the body restores its water-salt balance after it's lost water and salt through sweating, just explain how the body is able to maintain its homeostasis through the integration and the movement of the systems. So please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'm happy to go over any of this in our live discussion times.